This bird will try to eat almost anything, from dogs, capybaras, and even humans. Meet the pelican, nature's glutton. Pelicans are large water birds, known for their long beaks and large throat pouches, which they use for catching prey, mostly fish, by scooping up the water. Aside from fish, they've been known to prey on a large variety of food items, such as pigeons, ducks, and they also try to eat animals that are larger than themselves, such as dogs, and even humans. Pelicans are opportunistic feeders. If they are hungry enough, and the opportunity presents itself, combined with their large beaks and throat pouches, they will literally try to eat anything. Unfortunately, sometimes they bite way more than they can chew, which leads the prey to fight back and mortally wound the pelicans.
Meet the pelican, nature's glutton.
Kenali burung pelikan, si rakus dari alam liar.
Known for their long beaks and large throat pouches.
Dikenal karena paruh panjang dan kantong leher besar mereka.
By scooping up the water.
Menangkap ikan dengan menyendok air.
Pelicans are opportunistic feeders.
Pelikan makan apa aja yang bisa mereka dapat.
And the opportunity presents itself.
Dan saat ada kesempatan.
And mortally wound the pelicans.
Bahkan bisa melukai pelikan hingga tewas.